Mathematics. For many of you, it sounds scary a bit. Many of you all guys think that it's a hard and a difficult subject also. I'm absolutely right. And for many of you all guys used to hate maths also. Am I right? And if you understand mathematics, so you will score well in it and you can't leave it also. In today's video, we are going to see 7 effective tips that will definitely help you in understanding the mathematics as well as scoring well in mathematics. And yes, these all tricks and tips are mainly used by me and will definitely help you all guys in scoring well and understanding the subject also. Let's Tip 1. Make a practice of practicing maths for half an hour to 1 hour, which will definitely give you an output and will be confident on the subject. And don't study mathematics for hours and hours, which can create stress. Here we go with my tip number 2. So this is very effective and useful for you all guys. Definitely help you in your future. Personal use by me. And in this tip, what you have to do? You have to just refer many books like R.D. Sharma, Inset Exemplar and NCERT and try to solve it in a separate notebook, not in your register or classwork notebook. And yes, there are possibilities that in some questions you may have a doubt and these doubts are not even cleared by Google. So what you have to do, you have to just mark it down and ask to your teacher. My third tip says that this tip is a bit linked with my second tip. So in this tip, you have to study the chapters before your teacher teaches it and you have to practice all the sums like from R.D. Sharma, NCERT Exemplar and NCERT. By doing this, when your teacher will teach it again, it will become a revision for you guys and you can understand the concept again easily. Here we go with my fourth tip. I'm sure that you all guys have doubt in maths. So in that situation, you have to ask to your teacher, your classmate, and even you can ask with your parents also. By this, you would be very stress relief and you can easily clarify your doubt also. Here we go with my fifth step. So sometimes teaching or explaining others also increases your confidence and level of understanding in maths. Not in maths, in every subject I say. So try to explain or teach someone else who is struggling with the concept that you are very well. Here we go with my fifth step, review your mistakes. In each chapter we have done around 300 sums. So there would be some mistakes that you have done in any of the sums. So you have to review it or you have to correct it. So by doing the correction in the sum, you can clearly understand that how confident and how level you are in. Here we go with my seventh step, revision. After completing every 4 chapters, make a practice of revising these chapters again by doing these collective sums or the important sums that you have done before from R.D. Sharma, NCERT and NCERT Exemplar. By doing this, you will be very confident on the chapter more. Now we came to know all the 7 tips and just you have to execute this and make a practice of following these all tips. By just following these all tips, you will be the master of maths. And hard work is the key to success in any work. Let it be study, let it be even a job. Maths may not teach us how to add love or subtract 8, but it gives us hope that every problem has a solution.
Mathematics is not about numbers, equations, computations or algorithms. It is all about understanding.